guys, and welcome to another amazing piece of furniture installation. Right here we have beautiful wardrobe. Okay, now this is a floating wardrobe. You can call it shelves, you can call it whatever you want. Now this customer is going to use this to store their clothes. Now we have plenty of space here because they're going to be using these lovely irons or bars we have up here to have their clothes hanging back to front from the wall like that. So you're going to have the clothes hanging like this, so that way they'll have much of it up to here. Okay, so that's going to happen there. They can put some boxes up there, they can put some clothes on this particular shelf here, more clothes on these shelves, and more clothes on the shelves here. Guys, just take a look at the finishing. Take a look on how solid it is. Very solid. This is done with Formica, guys. We're talking about high density, high grade Formica. That's what we've used here. There's no painting whatsoever on this piece. We are a Cameroonian manufacturing company. We do all types of furniture, from wardrobes, walk-in closets, kitchen fittings, any furniture you want done for you guys. We can get this done for you right here in Cameroon, anywhere, and install it. You can contact us on the number at the end of this video and we'll make it happen. My name is Leonie, a Cameroonian manufacturer and a change maker. Peace and ciao.